Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Brian, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Google Ads account to your YouTube account. That way we can run YouTube ads, because you actually need a YouTube channel to be posting the videos, so then Google Ads can display the ads across YouTube or other partners' websites. So what we have to do is we go to Tools and Settings, we go to Linked Accounts, then we go to YouTube. And then here you want to link your YouTube to Google Ads. Remember, this is so we can run YouTube ads, because you need a YouTube channel to host the ads. So then Google Ads has it connected and then can display the ads. So we're just going to link a YouTube channel. We're going to go to My Channel. We're going to open the channel directly. We're going to copy, pause, paste. Here it is. I got it in me. This is the YouTube channel I want to connect to this Google Ads account. This is my wife's. I'm setting everything up for her. I use my Google Ads account for different purposes, but with this, we want to actually advertise her YouTube channel. So if you want to know how it goes, stay subscribed so I can share with you guys the results. Is it worth it to advertise on YouTube, your YouTube channel, to grow it? She currently has 395 subscribers, 205 videos, and you know, YouTube is a tough place to grow nowadays, especially because eye level is buy level. What that means is if people aren't seeing your videos, you're not gonna grow. And unfortunately for her, she isn't being promoted enough to keep growing her channel. So we want to see if some YouTube ads will help boost the channel and grow. Select the owner. I own this channel. Yes, go to YouTube so we can complete the linking process. You're about to link the Google Ads to this channel. It's so easy. Link name required. Enter a link name. Just something you can remember. Abigail's YouTube channel. And then yes, show everything and link. Easy as 1, 2, 3, account linked, and it shows up. Super easy. Awaiting approval. It should be approved because we just did it. So now we're just going to refresh. And there we go. It was easy as 1, 2, 3. They honestly make it so easy. It used to be you have to go into the settings and then to the settings here in YouTube and then get a code and bring it over to Google Ads. But now it's 2020, guys. Literally setting this up has taken me, what, 10 minutes? And I just recorded 2 videos. Part 1 was setting up your Google Ads account, and part 2 right now was connecting your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account. And that is actually going to be all for this video, because on the next one I'm going to be showing you how we're going to start advertising some of her videos as discovery ads. That way she can start being in front of eyeballs, in front of people. So if you're interested in doing this, also advertising your YouTube channel, step 1 is to get your Google Ads account, which is what I showed you in my previous video. So go check it out, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications. That way you are alerted when the next video is out.